who was elected as the 15th Vice President of India in September 2025? Right answer is option B, C.P. Radhakrishnan, who has been recently appointed as the new chairman of UPSC. Right answer is option C, Ajay Kumar. Narendra Modi was honored with the Grand Cross of the Order of Macarios III of which country? Right answer is option D, Cyprus. Who won the men's singles title at the US Open Tennis Championships 2025? Right answer is option A, Carlos Alcaraz, who has been appointed as the 52nd Chief Justice of India on May 2025. Right answer is option B, B.R. Gavai. Which state has been declared India's first fully digitally literate state? Right answer is option B, Kerala, who has been appointed as a Secretary of Research and Analysis Wing RA. Right answer is option A, Parag Jain. Where has India's first butterfly sanctuary been established? Right answer is option A, Aralam, Kerala. Which state has topped the medal tally at the first edition of Khelo India Water Sports 2025? Right answer is option C, Madhya Pradesh. Where was India's largest lithium ion battery manufacturing plant launched? Right answer is option C, Haryana. In which state has India's first transshipment port, Vizhinjam International Port, been inaugurated? Right answer is option B, Kerala. Who has been crowned as the 72nd Miss World 2025? Right answer is option A, Opal Suchata Chuangsri, who has been awarded the Nobel Peace Prize 2025. Right answer is option C, Maria Corina Machado of Venezuela. Which Indian state will host the Fight Chess World Cup 2025? Right answer is option A, Goa. Which of the following has become the first Indian organization to win 2025 Ramon Magsaysay Award? Right answer is option B, Foundation to Educate Girls. What is the rank of India in the 2025 Global Innovation Index? Right answer is option B, 38th rank. Who has been appointed as the new governor of the RBI, Reserve Bank of India? Right answer is option B, Sanjay Malhotra. The Badminton World Championships 2026 will be hosted by which country? Right answer is option A, New Delhi, India. Who has been awarded the 2025 Pritzker Architecture Prize? Right answer is option B, Liu Xiaokun of China. Who has been awarded the highest honor of Barbados, Order of Freedom of Barbados in 2025? Right answer is option A, Narendra Modi. Where was the ninth edition of 2025 Global Technology Summit held? Right answer is option D, New Delhi. Who has been appointed as a Space Secretary and the Chairman of ISRO? Right answer is option C, V. Narayanan. MS Swaminathan Award for Food and Peace 2025 was given to Ademola Adenle. He belongs to which country? Right answer is option B, Nigeria. Justice Sachin Sachdeva has been sworn in as the Chief Justice of which state High Court? Right answer is option A, Madhya Pradesh. Who has been recently awarded the Pen Pinter Prize 2025? Right answer is option B, Lila Abolela. Who has been honored with the United Nations Mandela Award 2025? Right answer is option D, both B and C, Brenda Reynolds and Kennedy Odede. Who took charge as the new Chief Election Commissioner of India on February 2025? Right answer is option C, Gyanesh Kumar. Which operation was launched by India after a powerful earthquake struck the neighboring country? Right answer is option B, Operation Brahma. Who has been elected as the President of the 18th session of the United Nations General Assembly? Right answer is option A, Annalena Baerbock. Who won the Subhash Chandra Bose Disaster Management Award 2025? Right answer is option D, Inquis. What is the rank of India in the 2025 Human Development Index released by UNDP? Right answer is option C, 130th rank. Who has topped the medal tally of 38th National Games 2025? Right answer is option A, SSCB, Services Sports Control Board. Which institution has launched the first ever India Electric Mobility Index? Right answer is option B, Niti Aayog. Where has ISRO launched the Himalayan Outpost for Planetary Exploration Mission for Gaganyaan? Right answer is option D, Ladakh. Where has India's first Make in India green hydrogen plant been set up? Right answer is option C, Gujarat. Who has been recently appointed as the first woman and African president of the International Olympic Committee? Right answer is option A, Kirsty Coventry. Where was the World Tea Conference 2025 organized for the first time in India? Right answer is option A, Kochi, Kerala. Which city has been officially declared as the leopard capital recently? Right answer is option D, Bengaluru. Subhanshu Shukla was sent to the International Space Station under which mission? Right answer is option C, Axiom 4. India defeated which team in 2025 Men's Hockey Asia Cup? Right answer is option D, South Korea. Who has been appointed as a Director General of Sashastra Seema Bal SSB? Right answer is option B, Sanjay Singhal. Who has become the 89th Grand Master of India? Right answer is option D, Rohit Krishna. Who was honored with the CK Naidu Lifetime Achievement Award 2025? Right answer is option C, Sachin Tendulkar. In which state will India's first AI-based data park be built? Right answer is option A, Chhattisgarh. Which newspaper was awarded 2025 UNESCO Guillermo Cano World Press Freedom Prize? Right answer is option B, La Prensa. Who has been appointed as the first woman law secretary in March 2025? Right answer is option C, Anju Rathi Rana. Who has been appointed as a chairman of SEBI in February 2025? Right answer is option D, Tuhin Kanta Pandey. Who was conferred with the National Lata Mangeshkar Award for 2025? Right answer is option B, Sonu Nigam. Where was the COP15 conference of the Ramsar Convention held? Right answer is option C, Victoria Falls, Zimbabwe. Who has been re-elected as the president of the New Development Bank? Right answer is option D, Dilma Rousseff. Tiger Trimp is a bilateral military exercise conducted between India and which country? Right answer is option A, USA. In May 2025, India has overtaken which country to become the fourth largest economy in the world? Right answer is option B, Japan. Which Indian American singer won the 67th Grammy Award for the album Triveni? Right answer is option C, Chandrika Tandon. The World Food Prize 2025 has been given to Dr. Beringela Hungria. She belongs to which country? Right answer is option D, Brazil. Who has been appointed as a private secretary to Prime Minister Narendra Modi? Right answer is option A, Nidhi Tiwari. Which medal has Neeraj Chopra won in the Diamond League Final 2025? Right answer is option B, silver medal. Who has been appointed as the new president of the Asian Cricket Council? Right answer is option C, Mohsin Naqvi. Where was the 6th BIMSTEC Summit 2025 held? Right answer is option B, Thailand. Which film has won the award for the Best Picture at the 97th Academy Awards 2025? Right answer is option D, Anora. Who has become the new Vice Chief of the Indian Air Force? Right answer is option A, Narmadeswar Tiwari. India has won ICC Champions Trophy 2025 by defeating which country? Right answer is option C, New Zealand. Who won the men's singles title in the Australian Open 2025? Right answer is option B, Jannik Sinner. Which city topped the list of million plus population cities in the Swachh Vayu Sarvekshan 2025? Right answer is option A, Indore. Vinod Kumar Shukla, who won the 59th Gyanpith Award, belongs to which state? Right answer is option A, Chhattisgarh. Which state government has declared a new wildlife sanctuary named Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar Abhyaran? Right answer is option C, Madhya Pradesh. Which is the safest city in India for women according to the recently released National Annual Reports and Index on Women's Safety 2025?
Right answer is option B, Kohima. The 21st edition of the India-US Joint Military Exercise Yuddha Abhyas 2025 was held at. Right answer is option D, Alaska, USA. Where is world's first CO2 to methanol plant inaugurated? Right answer is option A, Vindhyachal, Madhya Pradesh. Who has been appointed as a Chief Justice of Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh High Court? Right answer is option C, Arun Pillai. Who has become the first Indian to win the title of Miss Globe International 2025? Right answer is option B, Anuradha Garg. Who won the medal tally of the Khelo India Beach Games 2025? Right answer is option D, Manipur, which has become country's first ATM train. Right answer is option A, Panchvati Express. What is the theme of 2025 Combined Commanders Conference? Right answer is option C, Year of Reforms Transforming for the Future. Who has been awarded the prestigious Abel Prize 2025? Right answer is option B, Masaki Kashiwara. Which country has been selected to host the 8th edition of the Commonwealth Youth Games in 2027? Right answer is option D, Malta. Who won the prestigious Food Planet Prize 2025 for its innovative green fertilizer technology? Right answer is option A, Nitrocapt, Sweden. How many medals did India win in the World Boxing Cup 2025 held in Kazakhstan? Right answer is option C, 11 medals. Who will be awarded the 34th Saraswati Samman in 2025? Right answer is option B, Bhadresh Das Swami. In 2025, which city was declared as India's cleanest city for the 8th time? Right answer is option D, Indore. India's largest international cruise terminal has been launched in which city? Right answer is option A, Mumbai. What is India's rank in the Global Firepower Index 2025? Right answer is option C, 4th rank. Which institution proposed the development of the world's smallest semiconductor chip in 2025? Right answer is option B, IISc Bangalore. Where was the 2025 World Hydrogen Summit held? Right answer is option D, Rotterdam, Netherlands. Who has become the president of the Badminton World Federation? Right answer is option A, Khonying Petama. Who has won the both men's and women's Kabaddi World Cup 2025? Right answer is option C, India. Which country topped the medal tally at the Asian Athletics Championships 2025? Right answer is option B, China. The National Maritime Games 2025 were recently held at which location? Right answer is option D, Navi Mumbai. The world's first 3D printed railway station has been built by which country? Right answer is option A, Japan.
What is India's rank in the 2025 Sustainable Development Goals Index? Right answer is option C, 99th rank.
Which GST slabs have been revised under the new GST 2.0 structure effective from 22nd September 2025? Right answer is option C, 5%, 18% and 40%.
Which country hosted the 51st G7 summit in 2025? Right answer is option D, Canada. Who has been appointed as the new governor of Haryana? Right answer is option A, Asim Kumar Ghosh. Which team has won the 18th edition of the Indian Premier League? Right answer is option C, Royal Challengers Bengaluru. On which date National Space Day 2025 is celebrated? Right answer is option B, 23rd August. Which company has surpassed Microsoft to become the world's most valuable company? Right answer is option D, Nvidia. Who became the 11th Indian cricketer to be inducted into the ICC Hall of Fame? Right answer is option A, MS Dhoni. In which state was India's first underwater museum and artificial coral reef launched in June 2025? Right answer is option C, Maharashtra. Where was first International Conference on Glaciers Preservation 2025 held? Right answer is option B, Dushanbe, Tajikistan. Which district has become India's first fully solar powered district in May 2025? Right answer is option D, Diu. Which state will host the 39th edition of the National Games in 2027? Right answer is option B, Meghalaya.
Which Gram Panchayat won the Gold Award at the National E-Governance Awards 2025? Right answer is option D, Rohini, Maharashtra.
Who has honored with the Dadasaheb Phalke Award 2023 in September 2025? Right answer is option D, Mohan Lal. Which team won the 2025 ICC World Test Championship? Right answer is option D, South Africa. Where is the Waves World Audio Visual and Entertainment Summit 2025 being held? Right answer is option B, Mumbai. Who has received the Best Feature Film Award at the 71st National Film Awards 2025? Right answer is option C, 12th Fail. Which country has won the BWF Sudirman Cup 2025 for the fourth consecutive term? Right answer is option B, China. Who has been appointed as the Controller General of Accounts in 2025? Right answer is option A, TCA Kalyani. Who won the Fight Women's Chess World Cup 2025 by defeating Koneru Hampi in the finals? Right answer is option A, Divya Deshmukh. Who won the 2025 Durand Cup title? Right answer is option C, Northeast United Football Club. Which country ranked first in the recently released Global Terrorism Index 2025? Right answer is option D, Burkina Faso. Which state or union territory hosted the 38th National Games 2025? Right answer is option B, Uttarakhand. Which ISRO chief has been honored with the J.P. Birla Memorial Award in July 2025? Right answer is option A, V. Narayanan. Which state has been officially declared as country's first fully literate state? Right answer is option C, Mizoram. Who won the men's singles title of French Open 2025? Right answer is option C, Carlos Alcaraz. The NATO Summit 2025 was recently held in which country? Right answer is option B, Netherlands. Which country recently honored Prime Minister Narendra Modi with its highest civilian award, Mitra Vibhushan? Right answer is option D, Sri Lanka. How many players were honored with the Khel Ratna Award 2025? Right answer is option B, 4 players. What is the name of the military operation launched by India to attack terrorist bases in Pakistan? Right answer is option C, Operation Sindoor. Who has recently won the title of Miss Universe India 2025? Right answer is option B, Manika Vishwakarma. Who was appointed as the CEO of UIDAI in January 2025? Right answer is option A, Bhuvnesh Kumar. Who has been appointed as the first woman Director General of Railway Protection Force? Right answer is option D, Sonali Misra. What is India's rank in the Climate Change Performance Index 2025? Right answer is option C, 10th rank.
What is the name of the world's first digital tribal university launched in New Delhi? Right answer is option B, Adi Sanskriti.
Which state government has established the Greater Flamingo Sanctuary? Right answer is option A, Tamil Nadu. Which country has officially joined the BRICS as a full member in January 2025? Right answer is option B, Indonesia.
Which country hosted the SCO Summit 2025? Right answer is option D, China.
Who has been appointed as the new Chief Justice of Karnataka High Court? Right answer is option C, Vibhu Bakru.
Recently, Indian Railways successfully conducted trial run of Asia's longest freight train, Rudrastra. What is its total length? Right answer is option C, 4.5 kilometers.
Who has been reappointed as a director of CBI till May 2026? Right answer is option A, Praveen Sood. In which city Mahakumbh has been organized in 2025? Right answer is option D, Prayagraj, Uttar Pradesh.
Varkala Cliff, which was recently placed in UNESCO's tentative list of World Heritage Sites, is located in which state? Right answer is option B, Kerala.
Which will become the world's first city to run completely on renewable energy? Right answer is option A, Amravati, Andhra Pradesh. India's first biopolymer manufacturing plant will be set up in which district of Uttar Pradesh? Right answer is option C, Lakhimpur Kheri. Frederick Merz has become the new chancellor of which country? Right answer is option D, Germany. Who won the women's singles title in the Wimbledon Open 2025? Right answer is option B, Iga Swiatek. President Draupadi Murmu was recently awarded City Key of Honor in which European city? Right answer is option A, Lisbon.
Which team won the 17th edition of Men's Asia Cricket Cup in 2025? Right answer is option A, India.
In which state is India's first white tiger breeding center being established? Right answer is option D, Rewa, Madhya Pradesh. Who has been appointed as the next executive chairman of National Legal Services Authority? Right answer is option C, Justice Suryakant. Which year has been selected as the year of Gaganyaan by ISRO? Right answer is option A, 2025. Who has recently become the chairman of 23rd Law Commission? Right answer is option B, Dinesh Maheshwari.
Which city topped the Smart City Index 2025 released by the International Institute for Management Development? Right answer is option D, Zurich, Switzerland.
How many people were awarded the Goldman Environmental Prize 2025? Right answer is option C, 7 people. Madhav National Park, the 58th Tiger Reserve of India, is located in which state? Right answer is option A, Madhya Pradesh.
Who has been appointed as the new Director General of Central Industrial Security Force in September 2025? Right answer is option B, Praveer Ranjan.
Which country hosted the 17th BRICS Summit in 2025? Right answer is option C, Brazil. Which city was the host of the 18th Pravasi Bharatiya Divas Convention 2025? Right answer is option D, Bhubaneswar, Odisha. Asia's vertical lift bridge Pamban Bridge has been inaugurated in which state? Right answer is option A, Tamil Nadu. Which team won the Kho-Kho World Cup 2025 in both men's and women's category by defeating Nepal? Right answer is option C, India. Which team has recently won the 15th Hockey India Senior Women National Championship 2025? Right answer is option D, Jharkhand. Who won the Pen Translates Award for the Once Elephants Lived Here? Right answer is option A, Gitanjali Sri. Which state won the 78th edition of Santosh Trophy National Football Championship title? Right answer is option B, West Bengal. Which country will host the G20 summit in 2025? Right answer is option C, South Africa. How many individuals were honored with the Padma Awards in 2025? Right answer is option D, 139 individuals. India's first organic fisheries cluster was launched in which state? Right answer is option A, Sikkim, who topped the 2025 Khelo India Winter Games medal tally. Right answer is option B, Indian Army. The Kitchen and Minar wetlands are located in which state that has been recently included in the Ramsar sites? Right answer is option C, Rajasthan. Which country won the Asian Women's Kabaddi Championship 2025 title? Right answer is option C, India. Which country will host the next Olympics in 2028? Right answer is option D, Los Angeles, USA. Who has become the first Indian to receive the Fred Darrington Sandmaster Award? Right answer is option C, Sudarshan Patnaik. Which country will host the BRICS summit in 2026? Right answer is option C, India. Who won the men's singles title in the Wimbledon Open 2025? Right answer is option B, Jannik Sinner.
Who has been appointed as the chairman of National Stock Exchange? Right answer is option D, Srinivas Injeti.
Which city has recently been nominated by the Government of India as UNESCO's Creative City of Gastronomy? Right answer is option A, Lucknow, Uttar Pradesh. Where was the 2025 World Government Summit held? Right answer is option C, Dubai, UAE. Where has the world's largest white hydrogen reservoir been found? Right answer is option B, France.
Anand Kumar Velkumar won which medal at the Speed Skating World Championship 2025? Right answer is option A, gold medal.
How many districts will be covered under the Pradhan Mantri Dhan Dhanya Krishi Yojana in 2025 to 26? Right answer is option A, 100. Which of the following has recently got the status of Navratna? Right answer is option C, both A and B, IRCTC and IRFC. What is India's rank in the 2025 Energy Transition Index reached by the World Economic Forum? Right answer is option B, 71st rank. Who has been appointed as the 47th Vice Chief of the Naval Staff in August 2025? Right answer is option D, Vice Admiral Sanjay Vathasyan. Who has been selected as Wisden leading women's cricketer in the world for 2024? Right answer is option B, Smriti Mandhana. Who was honored with the 43rd Lokmanya Tilak National Award 2025? Right answer is option C, Nitin Gadkari.
With the Gokul Reservoir and Udaipur Lake in Bihar designated as Ramsar sites, what is the total number of Ramsar sites in India? Right answer is option B, 93.
Which country will become the 21st member of the Eurozone from January 2026? Right answer is option D, Bulgaria. Surya Kiran is a joint military exercise between India and which country? Right answer is option B, Nepal. Which country topped the medal tally of Asian Para Archery Championship 2025? Right answer is option C, China.
Which team won the Dulip Trophy title 2025? Right answer is option D, Central Zone.
Which is the 44th Indian site to be inscribed in the UNESCO World Heritage List? Right answer is option C, Maratha Military Landscapes. What is India's rank in the Henley Passport Index released in July 2025? Right answer is option A, 77th rank. Which state has won the 2024 to 25 Vijay Hazare Trophy title? Right answer is option C, Karnataka.
Which city will host 11th Asian Aquatics Championships 2025? Right answer is option A, Ahmedabad.
Which country has won the UEFA Nations League title in 2025? Right answer is option D, Portugal. In which state or UT is India's first e-waste eco park being established? Right answer is option D, Delhi. Which team won the 2025 Women's Premier League? Right answer is option C, Mumbai Indians. Which country has recently announced to adopt green cryptocurrency to boost the economy? Right answer is option B, Bhutan. Where will India's first public-private partnership green waste processing plant be established? Right answer is option A, Indore, Madhya Pradesh. Which country hosted the Artificial Intelligence Action Summit 2025? Right answer is option B, France. The world's highest Chenab railway arc bridge is located in which state or UT? Right answer is option B, Jammu and Kashmir. Which country will host the 2026 Commonwealth Games? Right answer is option D, Glasgow, Scotland. Which state will have the Makhana board established under budget 2025? Right answer is option C, Bihar. Which city will host the 5th Asian Youth Para Games in 2025? Right answer is option A, Dubai, UAE. Swamito scheme was launched by which ministry? Right answer is option B, Ministry of Panchayati Raj. What is India's rank in the World Happiness Index 2025? Right answer is option B, 118th rank. Who has been awarded the Lifetime Achievement Award 2025 by the United Kingdom government? Right answer is option D, Chiranjeevi. What is India's rank in the Corruption Perception Index 2025? Right answer is option D, 96th rank. Where was the United Nations Ocean Conference 2025 held? Right answer is option C, France.
What is India's rank in the Global Digital Nomad Report 2025? Right answer is option B, 38th rank. Which team won the Women's Hockey Asia Cup 2025? Right answer is option B, China. The World Maritime Day is celebrated on which date? Right answer is option D, 25th September. Which is the most polluted city in India according to the report recently released by Energy and Clean Air Research Center? If you know the correct answer of this question, so give your answer of this question in this video comment box. Now see you soon in the next coming informative video. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon for new updates and notifications.